Good morning, everyone. It is day 16 and I decided that I'm going to start vlogging. It is 8:30 Wednesday morning. I figured I would just vlog like my day-to-day experience, and the things that I do in the day, just to have something to do, I guess, and have some content for you guys to watch, just because I'm not going anywhere. But I'm just gonna share with you guys what I do in a day, and I'm gonna start some new things today. Like, today is actually the very first day that I actually woke up at like super early. Like, I woke up at 7:30-ish, but I just laid in bed until right now. I just opened up my windows, and I'm about to go edit a video really quickly. I did edit through it already, but I just want to re-edit, and then I'm going to export, and then I'm going to schedule it to upload today. And then right after that, I'm just going to go have a drink of lemon water, maybe take a shower, get dressed, and probably do my makeup and film a video on that. So yeah, that's pretty much my plans for today. I have a couple of other things to do, like pack up clothes, organize some things. So I'll take you guys along with me. We're in this together, you guys. So if you guys have any thoughts or concerns, or you want to share your feelings or whatever it is, and you feel like you need an outlet, please feel free to go do so in my comments. So yeah, stick around and let's hang out today. So this is usually how my day starts out looking like. Me on my laptop editing in bed, which I don't often do and I don't want to always do. It's just because it gives me something to do in the nighttime when I can't sleep, just edit. So I am going to be, after I finish cleaning my other room, I'm going to be moving my laptop in there. Right now, I'm just editing my what is in my handbag video. So I'm going to click on that and open that up. These are just other videos. I use iMovie. And my camera that I'm using right now is the Canon G7X, which I love. But I'm just using iMovie to edit. I really want to get Final Cut Pro, but my laptop is a super old laptop. My laptop is like a MacBook Pro from like 2009-ish, I believe. So I definitely need a new laptop. Look at the size of my laptop. It is so thick. Like, laptops aren't this thick anymore. Yay! On to the next thing of the day. Plot twist. I got sucked into watching TikTok videos, and I'm honestly though trying to upload this video on YouTube, but it was just like taking freaking forever. Like my internet or like my computer wasn't responding. So it's uploading finally. Yeah. Now what I have to do is I have to go on Amazon and find all of the links and turn them into affiliate links. That way I get coins when you guys purchase things, like literal pennies. But yeah, so I'm excited. Now I'm gonna go get something to eat. So my niece made me breakfast. Super cute.
10 seconds later.
There goes that. Do you guys want to see a magic trick? So we're all dressed. The first thing on my list of things to do today is to pack up these clothes. And then the next thing is to spray paint this cart that I had gotten from IKEA. I low-key want to make it a bar cart, but we'll see how that goes. I'm excited that today is super duper sunny. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's super duper sunny out, so it'll dry. I've been meaning to spray paint it for a while, but the weather has just been so crazy. Oh, okay guys, let's pack up all of this stuff. guys, so after breakfast I ended up calling my tax guy, and I ended up getting my taxes done just so I'm able to freaking collect this $1,200 supposedly everybody's getting, because apparently you have to get your taxes done. So I did it really quickly. It was super fast. I wish he just had that whole fast system all the time, but yeah, so I'm super excited. I got that done. I got me some little bit of money, which is just going back to paying my bills anyways, which sucks, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so I am right now going to spray paint this guy right here. I'm gonna spray paint it as this metallic gold color. So I'll share with you guys how I do that, and this is gonna be, I'm thinking of having it as like my bar cart in my office, but it was just being used for storage, so I'm still kind of figuring out the whole storage thing, but yeah, so far we're just gonna spray it and then I'll decide what to do with it later. So let's do that. I'm just gonna unscrew these things first though, so then I can spray them like evenly. I didn't really think this through. I was just planning on spraying it just like that, which I'm still considering because it seems like a lot of work to just take it all off. So let's just do it. Ooh. So cute. I pretty much got the gist of it. This was just the first layer. I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with a second layer and then let this bad boy dry for a little bit, and then we're gonna put it back in the office. I think I am gonna use this as a bar cart. I'm not sure how much of the footage you saw when I was spraying it because my camera died, but I got a brand new battery, girl, and I'm charging up all the rest of them. Friends, so I just premiered my video and I am chatting with you guys here. I think I might do this a little bit more often because I think it's fun, like premiering my videos. So yeah, like every other vlogger out there, I am drinking my stock coffee and my vanilla creamer. So I'm excited. Hey babes, so everyone that joined the premiere, thank you so much. Right now I am making some noodles. These ones are my absolute favorite. They're super spicy and cheesy at the same time. I get mine from H Mart, but apparently they have them on Amazon. A little bit overpriced if you ask me, but they also have the sauce, which I think is this guy right here. So I'm just doing that right now. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go to H Mart to pick up some more tomorrow. So I just mixed in the cheese. I usually mix in the other sauce first and then the cheese, but I just decided to mix this in first. I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy in right now. This is where all the spice comes in. I'll just mix that all around. It looks so good. Hey.
Are you about $47?
No. Say hi to my vlog.
You gonna let me $4,700?
Are you guys gonna lend him $4,700 or no? Let me know in the comments. I think they say no. Bye.
Excuse you?
Bye.
Excuse you?
See you later. Love you. My mom made halwa today. If you guys don't know, it's like how Hindus have like their prasad, Muslims have halwa, which is like a sweeter version, I guess. She makes it with I don't know, all the stuff that she makes it with, plus orange soda. Super duper good. My mom likes to say that I don't wash dishes. I definitely do, but she told me to put it in like a paper so she doesn't have to wash. So I put it in this bag. She's gonna yell at me. I'm gonna be like, here, I come from the Jandy. You got Jandy food.
Are you giving Jandy food?
Look at my noodles. They look so good. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Look at that. Yes, mackerel. Hello friends. So I just asked you guys a bunch of questions on Instagram to see when you guys would like these vlogs to go up. Hopefully you guys answer soon and then I'll know. Let me fix this lighting. I've been doing like a million things that literally my noodles got cold and now they're like blah. I like to eat them when they're actually like super hot. But I'm gonna eat these noodles out and then I'll share with you guys like my nighttime routine. So I'm gonna eat my food and watch Ozark real quick and then I'll share with you guys that and then I'll end the video off with my nighttime routine and then I'm probably gonna go watch a movie and then edit this video while I watch it so you guys can see this either tonight or in the morning. Yay. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys soon. I took my hair out. My hair actually in really nice curls. I'm planning on one of these days just dyeing it back pink. So we're gonna do that in a couple of days. I'm just getting the use of my curls throughout the next couple of days and then I'm gonna wash my hair and then do it pink. So let's just put this bad boy up. While I was cleaning my room, I actually found this pharmacy Very Cherry Clean Balm, and I actually really like cleansing balms. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this right now, and then we're gonna wash our face, and then we're gonna go into the Dr. Dennis Gross. I have a video all about this, so I'm just gonna use this peel on my face. I'm going to let you guys know how I like that, and I give you guys updates every time I use it, so you guys will see that too. Alright, let's get into it. This is the... Ooh, it smells really good. It's pink. It smells like berry. Scoop some of that out on the little thingy. I love these balms. Look at how it melts so easily. Super duper nice. So I'm just gonna get that all over. Get off all this makeup. What foundation am I wearing? I'm just actually wearing powder and concealer today. Oh, I totally forgot I have my contacts in still. They're all foggy. I love that this washes off easily. Some oil balms are like really hard to come off. My face actually feels pretty darn clean. I'm still gonna go in with my cleanser. So the cleanser that I'm gonna use is this Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. I actually finished out all of my soy cleanser, which I'm so sad about, but I have two more tubes of that, so I have to go grab it. But I'm just gonna use the soy face cleanser on my dry face. I'm gonna dampen it just a little, just so the product can move a little bit, but I'm gonna use this on my dry skin, just for a little bit more of an exfoliating action. Please let me know what you guys want to see in the comments, like content related, what you want to see me do. I'm gonna go in with the Erno Laszlo Felatil Night Cream. I love this stuff. This stuff, it like literally makes you feel like amazing. So that is my face, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, and I think I'm gonna end my video with my nighttime routine every night. Well, probably not every single night, like I'll end it like sometime doing something else probably, because you guys have seen my nighttime routine. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and leave what content you guys want to see in the comments. That way I'll know what to do daily. But yeah, so I will chat with you all later. I'm gonna go ahead and watch some Ozark, edit this video, and then try to go to bed early because I want to wake up early tomorrow too. So I'll chat with you guys in the morning.